Welcome to an overview of IHI's Virtual Experience Platform, or VEP. This overview will provide insight into how a virtual experience works and what is possible to achieve within the virtual experience. A virtual experience platform allows anyone around the globe to come into your world at any time, attend a meeting, download important documents, watch videos, and more. Here's what someone would see if they visited IHI. Upon accessing the IHI VEP website, the users come into the landing page where they either log in or register if they do not yet have access. The landing page can be customized to contain rotating images, a welcome message, or other custom text, a Twitter or social media plugin, a place for important documents such as agenda downloads, and calendar reminders that can be downloaded to a personal calendar such as Microsoft Outlook. After logging in, they are brought to our courtyard, where they can see our physical location, and in this instance, Fall in New England. Features on this page that are consistent throughout the experience are the header with search capability, the breadcrumb trail that will continually show where you are within the experience, and the bottom menu bar. Users can click on the main menu icons at the bottom at any time to get directly to a specific area within the IHI VEP. This includes meeting rooms, exhibit halls, and if applicable, the auditorium, where a keynote speaker would reside. Users can click on the map icon at any time to see what areas are available to them and where they currently are within the VEP. You'll also note utility icons on the bottom menu. This is where items you collect throughout your experience are stored, such as documents in your briefcase and audio-video clips in your playlist. It also alerts you to messages that come in and chats in which you are involved. Lastly, there is a promotional area on the homepage, similar to a billboard, where you can call out items of interest or feature an item. In this case, Watch IHI TV is featured. When clicked, it takes you to the meeting room designated to IHI TV, which will be displayed in a few moments. There could be more than one featured item in this space. If this is the case, items are rotated every few seconds. Following the enter cue, the users click and are brought to our lobby, where they are greeted by one of our very own. Emily. Note that the video will play automatically the initial time you enter the room. At any other time, the video is stored up in the intro video area. Upon entering the reception area, users are cued to click to open their first instance of a content library. A library is simply a compilation of materials specific to that room. In this case, Contact IHI, About IHI, and Welcome to the Reception Area. A library can contain many forms of media, including documents such as Word, Excel, PDF, audio files, videos, webinars, and hyperlinks. Users can choose to add a piece of content to their briefcase for later use, or they can choose to share a piece of content with a colleague. They also have the ability to rate the content. Clicking on the briefcase will show the user that they have one item in their briefcase. Rating their content, they can choose as many stars as they wish. In sharing the content, clicking on the share icon, they can enter the recipient's name, email. The deep link is filled in automatically, and then they can comment on why this link is important. Let's visit a meeting room next. Meeting rooms are set up to host meetings and contain documents and media specific to that meeting through the content library. They can also contain chat capabilities so attendees can communicate in real time or through a moderated chat. Meetings can also be scheduled to start and end at certain times, so users may have limited access to rooms if necessary. To get to a meeting room, you can either click on the map icon or choose Meeting Rooms from the bottom menu bar. Upon entering Deming, you'll note a floating chat session box. This box indicates that a moderated chat session is available. If you click the Join the Moderated Chat, the box will expand to show the chat in session, as well as any assets the moderator has added, in this case, the IHI TV video. If you choose to post a question to a moderated chat, the designated moderator will answer your question and post the answer back to the chat window when available. You can close the chat and it will be minimized to the top right-hand corner of the screen. Also available in this room is the TV screen, which acts as a video player, as well as the content library. Because the video is set to play on first click, you'll view the video, then have access to the content library. The video can be stopped at any time using the video controls. Once the video is closed, you will have access to other documents within the content library, again being able to rate them, add them to your briefcase, or share them as necessary. From here, we'll move to the exhibit hall by clicking on the icon at the bottom menu. The exhibit hall is where vendor booths are located, just as you would see at a forum, a business fair, or convention. In this case, booths are used to display different projects within IHI so one can learn more. Hover over a booth to see a description and click to be taken to that booth. A booth can contain 3 or more pods in which different pieces of information can be held. The Springs booth contains a banner, a prezi of the site, as well as a video. It can also contain marketing materials, brochures, and other documents, and a content library. A booth can also have a live representative. A live representative can be available at different times to answer questions just as if you were at a convention. This is called the front desk area. If the rep is available, you can click to chat in real time and even have a video chat if the parties have cameras. Here's a demonstration of a booth chat. On the left, I have a test user who has decided that they want to contact a representative. They have 2 options. They can use a video chat or send a message, or they can click to chat in live time. When the representative accepts the chat, the participant is notified and then can chat with the representative. You'll see that the representative receives the live message in their window. If participants have cameras on their computers, video chats can be enabled. Other features of the VEP include lounges where people can convene to have a public chat or gather information, a timing system where content and video is available at custom times in custom rooms which can be set up based on your meeting type. You're invited to experience the IHI VEP yourself by logging into ihi.sixconnects.com/portal/IHI portal/login.